Handling tickets in Jira involves a series of steps to ensure tasks are tracked, managed, and completed efficiently. Here's how to handle tickets in Jira. Create a ticket. To create a new ticket, click on the Create button in the Jira toolbar. Fill in the necessary details such as issue type, summary, description, and assign it to a team member. Prioritize and categorize. Set the priority of the ticket to indicate its urgency. Use labels, components, or custom fields to categorize the ticket, which helps in organizing and filtering tasks. Assign the ticket. Assign the ticket to the appropriate team member responsible for handling it. This ensures clear ownership and accountability. Track progress. Update the ticket status as work progresses. Common statuses include to do, in progress, in review, and done. Use workflows to move the ticket through different stages. Comment and collaborate. Use the comment section to communicate with team members. Add relevant information, ask questions, or provide updates. Mention colleagues using @username to notify them directly. Link related tickets. If the ticket is related to other issues, use the linking feature to connect them. This helps in understanding dependencies and tracking related tasks. Resolve and close the ticket. Once the work is completed, change the status to done or closed. Add final comments or resolutions to document the outcome. Ensure all acceptance criteria are met before closing. Review and retrospective. Periodically review completed tickets to learn from past tasks. Use reports and dashboards to analyze trends and improve processes.